I took an art class in college. This was the first one where he actually sat and learned the process, which was wonderful. Caleb's style was not intimidating. Coming into it, that's what I was the most afraid of, that I would have had the least experience in the class and then maybe struggled or needed more help. But I had people at my same level, so that felt good. And Caleb's style and the way that he teaches and talks is not demeaning at all. It's very encouraging, and that meant the world to me. That made me brave enough to continue trying each new color. I enjoyed that part the most, learning and then being able to actually produce that and have him say, yeah, that's what it was supposed to be. I'm surprised as heck that this is my painting. I guess that's the most genuine feeling I can express to you, that if you showed this to me, there is no way I would guess I were the painter of it. So at the end of the process, you're kind of proud of yourself. And it makes me eager to do it again, honestly.